Rain poured heavy from the gray sky, and Bluey spotted a shiny umbrella leaning by the door. Her eyes grew wide, her paw reaching slow, heartbeat racing with curiosity. Could this umbrella hold a secret power? Bluey grabbed it quick, snapping it open with a loud swoosh. Lightning cracked across the sky, and suddenly the umbrella glowed bright. Bingo gasped, "Bluey! That's no ordinary umbrella!" The wind lifted Bluey's paws off the ground, spinning her high above the yard. Could she control this flying magic? Bandit dashed out shocked, yelling wild, "Bluey! Hold on tight!" Chilli shielded her eyes, worried yet amazed. Bluey twirled in the air laughing, the umbrella pulling her higher and higher. Bingo jumped, trying to catch her, but the gust carried Bluey further. Could the family save her in time? Bluey soared above the trees, rain whipping her face. Suddenly she spotted a glowing rainbow forming in the distance. The umbrella tugged her straight toward it, unstoppable. She shouted loud, "Adventure time!" Bingo barked from below, chasing, while Bandit and Chilli ran fast through the mud. Could they follow Bluey across the sky? From the rainbow burst a swarm of magical frogs, leaping huge, croaking echoes like thunder. They surrounded Bluey, bouncing high to block her path. She swung the umbrella like a sword, spinning strong, shouting, "Out of my way!" The frogs scattered, vanishing into sparks of light. Could she push through to the rainbow's heart? Muffin and Socks appeared, holding paper kites, struggling in the storm but cheering brave. "Go, Bluey! Don't stop!" they screamed, their voices carrying through the rain. Bluey's umbrella flared with colors, dragging her straight into the glowing arch. Could this be the final test? Inside the rainbow, Bluey floated calm, the storm fading into silence. She touched the glowing air with her paw, and suddenly the umbrella dimmed, lowering her gently back to the ground. Bingo hugged her tight, Bandit and Chilli rushed over relieved, Muffin and Socks danced in puddles. Could such a wild journey really end safe? Bluey smiled big, raising the umbrella high. "That was the best adventure ever," she shouted. And hey, if you loved this stormy ride, smash that like, hit subscribe, and stay tuned for the next magical journey with Bluey and her family.